Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Dallas. Welcome back to my channel. You are now watching my TV. Today I have just a simple top knot bun hair tutorial on short hair. I did the big chop almost a year ago. In this video, I'm just giving you guys a quick tutorial of how I achieved this top knot bun with braiding hair. This is a quick and easy style for all my girl bosses on the go, trying to put more time and energy into their work and their hustle versus spending all day on the hair, especially when you have natural hair. I know how it can be. So I'm coming on here with freshly co-washed hair. I just use my regular As I Am product that I've been using forever. See if it's gonna focus. And I just put a little bit of this in here to just kind of help smooth my hair, even though it's gonna be pretty much gelled down. The leave-in conditioner definitely aids in the detangling process, but I don't know, I just don't like to use too much of the product because I feel like I don't want to waste the product because my hair is going up, but you still want to have like that extra protection on your hair, kind of making sure it's moisturized underneath the gel, which is definitely drying, and kind of going upward since we are doing a high bun. Kind of just prepping the hair to go up. I'm using this extreme gel. I actually just started using this gel. I was using Eco, but I don't like how Eco leaves like the little white balls and flakes. I was just like, I need something new. And then also I felt like Eco didn't hold as well as I wanted it to, so just gonna start adding the gel kind of like in sections instead of just like globbing it down. And then after that's in, I'm gonna go in with this, what is this brush? The Denman brush again. I love the Denman brush. The best detangling brush for curly hair ever. And just kind of making sure that there's no clumps or lumps in the hair. And also I try to do like pull my baby hairs out a little bit because I don't want them to get slicked down with the gel. So just kind of keeping them out here. When I get my hair done like braided styles, sometimes different people don't know to do this, and then my baby hairs end up getting braided down with the braids and I can't brush my baby hairs out. I don't like that. So definitely be cognizant of that when you're doing your buns and your braids. So then I'm gonna go in with this harder brush, thin bristle brush, and comb it back. I have some little short pieces of hair on the sides that kind of like to come out. Back with the Denman brush, and I'm brushing into the ponytail, not just on the outside of it, making sure that it's smooth all the way through. Ooh, I haven't done my hair like this wet yet. I've done it dry. I was thinking maybe the wet hair would be a little easier to manipulate, but you never know with my hair because it still is short, so it still tends to stick out of braiding hair. And I'm just getting a regular hair tie, doing a ponytail first. And then I can also use the comb for some pieces as well. I have like 2 different lengths of braiding hair in this, as you can see, but I was just trying to make it a little thicker. So I'm just taking this hair tie, putting it around like this. It might get a little messy, but honestly, it's not that serious. And then you just pull it through like that. And make sure you comb out the braiding hair before you do this. So then I'm just gonna put it on my hair like it's a regular hair tie. And like this. Like that. And then I'm just gonna try to twist my hair into the braiding hair. Kind of hide it in the braiding hair like that, and then twist it, twist it, twist it, and then just start going around. All done. That was pretty quick. When I tell you, this braiding hair gets everywhere. And then I'm gonna get these little pieces that are trying to come out. I'm gonna finish brushing the little frizzies with the toothbrush. Please don't get this mixed up with your regular toothbrush. That's not gonna be cute if you do. And then just doing these same like swoop-like motions, brushing it up into the bun. It's all about the toothbrush, the finger, and the swoop. Toothbrush, finger, swoop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more content. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.